2G, second generation, cellular network technology is the first digital cellular technology that replaced the first generation analog cellular technology. 2G uses digital modulation to improve voice quality, reduce interference, and provide better security for cellular communications. The primary purpose of 2G technology was to provide mobile voice and messaging services, but it also laid the foundation for mobile internet services. 2G technology uses a digital signal rather than an analog signal used by first-generation cellular networks. This digital signal is converted into a series of zeros and ones that can be transmitted over the airwaves. The digital signal is more reliable and secure than the analog signal used by first-generation cellular networks. 2G technology uses several different modulation techniques to convert the digital signal into a form that can be transmitted over the airwaves. Some of these modulation techniques include frequency modulation, FM, time division multiple access, TDMA, and code division multiple access, CDMA. The use of digital modulation in 2G technology has several benefits. Firstly, it improves voice quality, as the digital signal is less susceptible to interference and distortion. Secondly, it allows for the transmission of digital data, which was not possible with analog cellular networks. This enabled the development of mobile internet services and the ability to send and receive text messages. Thirdly, digital modulation provides better security for cellular communications. Analog signals can be easily intercepted and eavesdropped, whereas digital signals are encrypted, making them more difficult to intercept. 2G technology also introduced several new features to cellular networks, including caller ID, call waiting, and voicemail. These features were not possible with analog cellular networks and were only made possible by the use of digital signaling. Additionally, 2G technology allowed for the use of SIM, subscriber identity module, cards, which enabled users to switch between different mobile network providers without changing their phone number or device. One of the most significant advantages of 2G technology is its backward compatibility with first-generation analog cellular networks. This allowed for a gradual transition from analog to digital cellular networks, without the need for a complete overhaul of the existing infrastructure. This backward compatibility also allowed for the continued use of older devices that were not compatible with digital cellular networks. However, 2G technology has several limitations. The primary limitation of 2G technology is its limited data transfer rates, which are significantly lower than those of modern cellular networks. This limitation makes it unsuitable for high-bandwidth applications such as video streaming and online gaming. Additionally, 2G technology is susceptible to network congestion, which can result in slow data transfer rates and poor voice quality. The limited bandwidth of 2G technology also makes it susceptible to interference from other electronic devices, which can result in poor signal quality. Despite its limitations, 2G technology played a significant role in the development of modern cellular networks. It provided the foundation for mobile internet services, introduced several new features to cellular networks, and enabled the continued use of older devices. 2G technology paved the way for the development of 3G and 4G cellular networks, which offer faster data transfer rates, better coverage, and improved network reliability. In conclusion, 2G technology was a significant milestone in the development of cellular networks. It introduced digital modulation, which improved voice quality, provided better security for cellular communications, and enabled the development of mobile internet services. 2G technology also introduced several new features to cellular networks and enabled the continued use of older devices. Despite its limitations, 2G technology played a crucial role in the development of modern cellular networks and paved the way for the development of 3G and 4G cellular networks.